There are many options of hobby display cases to choose from, such as Bibiter, Welu, Supro, Kipms, Display Gifts, and more. So how do you know which one is the best? We have done a lot of research to find the top 5 best hobby display cases available. We have spent more than 3 weeks testing a lot of hobby display cases, with prices ranging from $21 all the way up to $199. We picked Bibiter Hobby Display Case as our preferred option. Read on for the rest of the great options in our buying guide, where you can find all of the information. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my details. So let's jump to the video without the Number 1. Juvent Acrylic Display Case. High transparency. The display box is made of high-quality acrylic, which is clear, sturdy and durable. We choose a 3mm thick acrylic board. The light transmittance is 95%. High-quality materials make sure long-term use. Clear display box with 10mm thick solid base, steady and durable. Sturdy construction allows stacking. Ideal addition to your collectibles. Compared with display riser, our enclosed acrylic display case can keep your item in it away from dust and save your time and energy of cleaning. Our display case is made of high-quality acrylic. It is a perfect complement for home display or business display. Perfect way to protect your collectibles in style and finally put your mind at ease. Easy to assemble. You just need to connect the sides, top and head. When you install the lid, you can use a little force to make it more firmly installed. No glue needed for assemble. Make sure you tear off the protective film on both sides of each acrylic board by fingernail or key before install. Acrylic boxes for display outer dimension is 17 liters x 17 watts x 16H, 45 x 45 x 42 cm. Perfect for Lego Bonsai Tree, Lego Flower, Lego House, Gundam model kits, trophy, an eye model kit, baby, doll, action figure. Number 2. Supro LED Clear Acrylic Display Box. Showcase with 72 LEDs inside. Long service life with 20,000 hours. 3 switch modes, acoustic control mode, stay on mode and stay off mode. Display case with large internal size 16.5, 12.6, 19.7 inch, that fits any kind of collectibles and action figures, can be used to collect your shoes up to a size 16, cosmetics, pop mart, dolls, etc. Please tear off the protective film of the panel before use. Easy to assemble and connect up to 6 display boxes with only one adapter. Acoustic control mode, lighting up by clapping or snapping your finger, with volume over. Number 3. Mirrored Clear Acrylic Display Case. Package. We provide disposable gloves and clean cloth to prevent fingerprints and dust. Material. The display box is composed of wood, plastic material and acrylic, and the bottom is equipped with a mirror surface. Usefulness. Our display cabinets are the perfect complement to business displays or household items. Protect and show your favorite collections such as figurines, models, car models, jewelry, collectibles and so on. Prompt. Please remove the protective film before use. Easy to assemble, only few steps to build an acrylic box. Use a transparent plate to tear double protective film. Number 4. Kimin Display Case with Navy Blue Display. High quality acrylic box. This display case with a high transparent appearance, 95% transmittance, gives you a clear view on your displayed items. All edges and corners are shiny, polished and chamfered, which provide you a safe, clear and smooth texture and surface. Simple assembly steps. You only take a few simple steps for building up an acrylic display case. Unlike traditional design, we created an innovative construction and workmanship. The acrylic sheets will snap together well and never fall apart while assembling, movement or change a display item. Lid design and deluxe base. The lid design provides more flexibility to the end user to change the item inside easily. Just take it out and replace it simply. The display stand with luxurious velvet surface, which provides a greatest contrast and the safest base to the displayed items. It makes your collectibles look outstanding. Dust-free collectibles. The acrylic sheets were cut by precise laser machines in perfect match with each other. It has a great sealability to protect collectibles from dust, dirt, sunlight, collapse, injury. A perfect kit. All acrylic sheets come with double-sided protective film and a ready-to-peel label. It can eliminate spots and scratches on the acrylic surfaces during movement and assembly preparation. You can peel off them super easily by tear the blue label. One pair of Number 5. DollSafe Deluxe Clear Folding Display Case. Material. Made from a flexible, clear plastic that will arrive flattened. Assembly will take about 5 minutes. See instruction photo. Size. 9.5 x 5 x 13 inches. Width x depth x height. Uses. This DollSafe display box is a safe and secure way to store or display your fashion dolls, porcelain dolls, and action figures that are 11 to 12 inches tall and 9 inches wide. Sleeve assembly. To assemble, lay out the plastic sleeve and identify the 4 corners of the case. 2 corners are creased, and 2 corners are flattened. Open the case by placing your hand inside the sleeve, and gently pressing downward on the creased corners against a flat surface to open them to 90 degrees. Find the flattened corners and gently crease them from the outside to form 90-degree corners. Work all 4 corners until the sleeve can stand on its own without bowing. Cap assembly. Once the sleeve is standing comfortably, place it on top of the bottom acrylic cap. The cap goes inside the plastic sleeve, so that all four sides of the plastic sleeve slide down around the acrylic cap's edge. If assembled correctly, the sleeve and cap will have a secure friction fit. Now, place your dollar figure inside and insert the. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the price of the product, please see my description. For any problem, please comment below. Stay up to date with our great products. It makes your life so much easier.